Hello all, I'm Veeru from electronicsinnovation.com. In this video, we will look at the Tuya IoT platform. By the end of the video, you are able to deploy a Tuya IoT platform based IoT device that offers you to connect and control anything from anywhere in the world. What is Tuya?
Tuya Smart is a leading global IoT cloud platform that connects the intelligent needs of brands, OEMs, developers, and retail chains. The platform provides developers with a one-stop IoT PaaS-level solution that contains hardware development tools, global cloud services, and smart business platform development, offering comprehensive ecosystem empowerment from technology to marketing channels to build the world's leading IoT cloud platform.
I see Tuya as the future of IoT and a universe of possibilities. Now let's see how to create a thing in Tuya Smart IoT platform that offers you to connect and control anything from anywhere in the world. This process contains three main steps. 1. Creating a thing on the Tuya IoT platform and activating it on the Tuya PMS platform. 2. Burning authorization of Tuya into the ESP8266 module. 3. Interfacing ESP8266 module with Arduino Uno and programming the same device to connect with Tuya Smart IoT platform. Let's dive deeper into each step. Before going further, make sure you have the following components with you: Arduino Uno, Arduino Uno programming cable, ESP8266 module. Here I have this NodeMCU development kit, which is based on ESP8266 chipset. But if you have any other ESP8266 based module, that would be fine. Micro USB cable to program the ESP8266 module. Breadboard and some connecting wires. Creating a thing on the Tuya IoT platform and activating it on the Tuya PMS platform. First of all, visit the Tuya IoT platform using the link provided in the description below. Sign up by providing the following info and then confirm your email. If you register on the Tuya Smart IoT platform using the link provided in the description, you will get $7 coupon. You can use them to purchase any Tuya modules on the same platform. Then log into the platform using the same credentials. If you find the website in Chinese language, you can change it to the English from here. Then click on the Create a Product. Then make sure you are in the standard category. In this tutorial, I am going to discuss controlling a light source from the Tuya IoT platform. So go to the lighting category and select light source. Select the solution type as custom solution. Then click on the bulb icon. Provide the name for the device whatever you want. If you wish, you can also provide a model for it, say ESP8266 or ESP32 kind of things. Then check the protocol Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and power type standard power consumption. After that, click on Create button. That's it. A new product or a device has been created on the Tuya IoT platform. Now copy the product ID or say PID and mail it to devops@tuya.com together with your Tuya IoT account name as the subject as shown here. After some time, you will receive a token from the Tuya DevOps team. Then visit the Tuya PMS platform using the link provided in the description. Sign up by providing all required details. Then log into the platform using the same credentials. If you find the website in the Chinese language, you can change it to the English from here. Click on Product Management, Work Order Management, then activate Code Verification tab. Input token ID that you have just received over the mail and confirm it. Please note that a one token ID can only be activated by one user. You can find the activated code list in the following menu. That's it, the token was activated successfully on the PMS platform. Thus, the first step was completed. Burning authorization of Tuya thing into the ESP8266 module. We will use Tyda software application to burn the authorization into the ESP8266 module, which is made by Tuya. Download the installation package from the link given in the description. install the tuya_tida_install_v 2.4.0 and log in with your PMS account by clicking on online login button. You can choose automatic login and remember the password if you want to log in automatically whenever you open the software. After successful login, the following page should appear. If you find the software in the Chinese language, you can change it to the English from here. Now connect your ESP8266 module to the PC using the USB interface and install the ESP8266 driver CP210X. If you ever programmed this ESP8266 module with your computer using any softwares like Arduino or SPSAF, you can skip this step. After successful installation, go to the device manager from the Windows Start menu and click on the board section. You will find a Silicon Labs CP210X driver installed. This means now you are able to program ESP8266 module with your computer. Note down the COM port number. Generally it would be COM3. Then come back to the TIDA application and select the setup option from the file menu. Select the burning baud rate 921600 and testing baud rate 9600 and leave the rest of the configuration as default. Then click on the OK button. Click Enter Token button to input the token which is activated on the Tuya platform and select the Workstation Burning Authorization. Also check Firmware Download option. Then click on OK. Now select the previously noted COM port. In my case it is COM3 and select the Run button. A few seconds after, the burning procedure will begin and continue until 100%. Then you will see the following success page on the software. If the burning fails, make sure you have installed the driver properly or selected the right port or put the ESP8266 module in the programming mode or not. If the following success page appeared on the software, congratulations, you have successfully burned the Tuya authorization into the ESP8266 module. After burning authorization, disconnect ESP8266 module from laptop. Interfacing ESP8266 module with Arduino Uno and programming the same device to connect with Tuya Smart IoT platform. Here is the circuit diagram to interface ESP8266 module with Arduino Uno. The Arduino Uno will communicate with ESP8266 over serial communication. Here we are using the serial port of both Arduino Uno and ESP8266 to make them communicate with each other. After successful connections, the circuit should be something like this. Now open Arduino IDE. We are going to use Tuya library for this project. Tuya has published its official library in the Arduino Library Manager. So we can install it directly from the library manager itself. Click on the sketch menu and then include library and select manage libraries option. Then find tuya_wi-fi_mcu_stk and install it. Or you can download the same library from the Tuya's GitHub page as shown here and add the package to the Arduino library folder after unzipping it. Then restart the Arduino IDE and verify that the Tuya library appears in contributed libraries section by going to the following directory. Now go to the example section from the file menu and search for tuya_wi-fi_mcu_stk and open the start example. Now connect the Arduino Uno with PC. Then check uploading configurations, board Arduino Uno and select the right port. Then compile the code and upload it to the Arduino Uno. If you face any problems while uploading, just disconnect the ESP8266 and try uploading again, because the connection between these two boards might interface with the uploading process. After successful uploading, take out your mobile and install the Tuya Smart app from the Play Store. Then create a new account and log in into it. Now connect the GPIO pin 7 of the Arduino Uno to the ground for 3 to 4 seconds to put the device into the pairing mode. The onboard LED will flicker if the module is in pairing mode. Now go to the Tuya Smart app and add the device as shown here. We can also edit the name of the device here. Upon successful pairing, you are able to control the onboard LED of Arduino Uno as shown here. This LED internally connected with pin 13 of Arduino Uno. We can simply interface 230 volts bulb with the same pin using the relay and control the same bulb like this. That's it for this tutorial. I hope you have enjoyed the video and learned something new from this episode. See you soon on the next video. Together, let's innovate the future with IoT. Bye bye.